good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another banger after a while, bro. My bad, I've been gone for a while. It's just with the car being down, it was just like I'm gonna let it be for now, bro, because I didn't want to stress over it. But I was like, you know what, let me get back on the car, give these people this content, because there's been some of y'all that have been asking like, when's the next drop, and I didn't even know. So if I didn't answer, my bad, because I didn't even know. But I was just like chilling off the car for a bit, but we're getting back on it. If y'all didn't know, something, either a piston, I don't know, something messed up on this car, because it throws smoke from the valve cover, and it has the weirdest chop idle sound ever. So today we're gonna try to see, we're gonna do a compression test to see if the engine is just bad, you know. But yeah, we're just gonna start off there with the compression test to see what it gives us. If everything's good there, then move on to the next step. But I just want to see what's wrong with it right now. I do have a plan. My plan is to go forge internals. So I was talking to somebody while the car was down, and I told him, what's your setup and all. I don't think he wants to be out there, so I'm not gonna like put him out there, but he has a fast 5.7 NA right now. He's pretty quick, but he's gonna whipple his car, and he's doing all this internal stuff. So I was like, you know what, let me hit him up and see like what's up right there. If he wants to be out there, I'll put him out there, but if he doesn't, then you know, he doesn't. But we are gonna be doing the internals on this car. We're gonna go with a 6.4 crank, and I'll put it up here. Nah, actually I'm not gonna put it. Just know I'm gonna do the internals. I'm gonna have to take out the whole block for them to bore the block and all that other stuff. But yeah, man, it's gonna take us a while, but we're gonna get it done. But as of right now, we're gonna do the compression test. So to do the compression test, I've never done one before, so obviously I had to search it up. But we're gonna open this trunk, and obviously you're not supposed to have fuel running through the car, so we're gonna take off the fuse for the fuel. Oops, no, I did not break it. But yeah, I believe this is the fuel one. I see everybody else pulling that one off. F30. Yeah, that one should be the fuel one, so we're gonna take it off, and I'll get back to y'all right now. All right, so I gave y'all the wrong one. It's going to be F21. F21, where it says fuel pump right there. It's gonna be the one. It's gonna be pink. Well, for me it was like light pink, the one that goes here. So make sure y'all take that one off. Then what you want to do is, obviously with your compression gauge tester thing, I got this from AutoZone. You could borrow it from AutoZone and just take it back whenever you're done, so you don't have to buy one. But it is good to have, so if you want to buy one, buy one. If you want to rent it, whatever you want to do. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go through each go through each cylinder. So cylinder, you know, the 246, and then the others on this side. So we're gonna start off on this side, since this side is the one throwing smoke. I'm gonna start off right here on this one, on one. Do all these, and then I'm gonna move on to the other side if I don't find nothing over here. Well, either way, I'm gonna still go through all of them, make sure every single one is like around 150. I'm gonna get to it, and I'm gonna be showing y'all each one. See if we find anything bad, bruh. Most likely we are, so I'll get back to y'all. All right, so we got the first spark plug out, or only one spark plug out. So what you want to do is, when you do this, each cylinder has like 2 spark plugs. So this one, obviously, where's it at? This one obviously had 2, so you just got to take out one, doesn't matter what side, and then you're gonna put the tester in to that hole where you took out the spark plug and then crank it. But yeah, so you won't have to like test both sides, you get me? But we took out the first spark plug, and as you can see, looking pretty and like roughish, if you want to say. I don't know. But right now, well, I got that one out. Right now, we're gonna put this in now and see what's up. All right, so this little tube end, I screw it in there where the spark plug goes. Now, tightened it. You're not supposed to just put it in. You're supposed to give it turns until it tightens, and it shouldn't come out, as you can see. But now we're gonna crank it. Let's see. This is my first time ever doing this, so if you're gonna say something, just know this is my first time, bro. But we're gonna give it a try right here. All right, with that should be good. You just gotta hold it. Oh, AC turned on. You just gotta hold it for like 7 seconds. Turn this off. Okay, now that one was a complete fail. Or was it? Yes, it was a complete fail. Alright, so I'ma just leave it how it is. I don't know. It's stressing me out. I mean, as right now, I turned it on. As you can see, it's smoking. I turned it on because I sent a video out to Long Beach Performance and someone else. I think I'm waiting for their response. I called Full Blown Performance, and they're telling me, "Oh yeah, the valve cover is not sealed down right." Like, bro, come on. I'm not that fucking stupid, you know. But I don't know. It's like hard to explain over the phone to them. I don't know why it's so hard to explain to them. But I sent out a video to Long Beach Performance. I'm gonna wait for them to respond. Alright, what's good, YouTube? I don't know what day it is or where I left off, but as you can see, we got the engine on the engine stand. I did not record the process just because, I don't know, I was lazy, but yes, we did get it out. As you can see, no engine. I would have never thought I was gonna come to this, you know, but we did get the engine out. Right now, I'm gonna start breaking it down. So like, take out the supercharger, take out the valve covers. I'm gonna see if I could try to get to the heads. If not, I'm gonna just, I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if I could get to the heads. I'm not doing a whole breakdown. I'm just trying to see where it went wrong as of right now. And then after that, I am gonna take it to a machine shop. Oh, I think it feels like it's raining. Oh, bueno. But today we are working on the 5.7. I just got the supercharger off right now. And as you can see, we got some oil there. I was looking at these little things in here, and it doesn't seem like none of them is like misplaced, I guess. But we're gonna keep going, see if we find anything. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is already not a good sign, I guess. But we're gonna keep going to see if we see any damages. But yeah, man, this is about time we jump back into this car because I've been procrastinating. But we're back on it, and I'll let y'all know how far I get. All right, so I'm taking off the valve cover, and everything seems good on this side. I haven't taken off this side, but as you can see down there, the gasket isn't sitting right. So gotta get that dialed in once I put it back in. But yeah, that's something I just peed, but I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna show y'all the other side under the valve cover if we see anything, but we're gonna keep going. Alright, so we got the other side off, as you can see. I might probably have to buy a new gasket for it, just because you can see it's like leaking. And then I tried to put it on before, but it doesn't stay on, so I'm gonna have to get another one and put a little bit of on the little corners, just for it to sit right, and I won't have trouble putting it on. So yeah, we're gonna do that next time when we get the other gasket for the valve cover. But as you can see, flying Reidperformance right there. Sheesh. None of these little, they're not damaged, bent, nothing out of the ordinary. I might have to take off the heads as well, so I'm gonna get to that. But yeah, man, was thinking of whippling the car, but I'm not sure. I feel like I want to get the most out of the supercharger and the block before I go whipple. My other option was to go BGE. Yeah, I was just gonna go BGE with it, but I was like, you know what, let's try to make the most out of this, 5.7 block. People underestimate them, so we're gonna try to get the most out of it to see what we get out of it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be still running the superchargers, just with different internals, and I will probably buy a torque converter. As you can see, I'm gonna probably try to get another torque converter, a bigger one, just for it could benefit, but yeah, man, that's what we running. Oh, I might port the blower and the heads. I was thinking of porting both of those. I mean, it's not crazy horsepower that it gains, but it is effective. It does something, so I might port the blower, the snout, and the heads as well. Let me show y'all the blower real quick. As y'all can see, this is the blower right here. I'm gonna take this apart as well, just to see if nothing inside the blower is damaged. This is the gasket. There's nothing wrong with the gasket. It just came off once I put it on the table. But yeah, man, that's what we're doing with the car right now. But let's get straight back into it. Alright, so we got one side off, or one of the heads off on the driver's side, and it's a bad news, bruh. It wasn't a piston ring. Yeah, y'all were telling me it was a piston ring, but it's not a piston ring, and I'm gonna show y'all right now. Let me know if y'all see anything different with these piston rings. I mean, with these pistons. Let me know. All right, just in case y'all don't see nothing, this one is missing a whole chunk, as y'all can see. And then as you can see, it's like burnt as well. But yeah, man, this is missing a whole chunk of the piston that was causing the blow by. Jesus. There's some water right there too. We got the famous YN here. Nah, I'm just playing. But we took off the other side and look, bro. Damn. So yeah, this side is way more cooked than the other side. I showed y'all the other side is missing just one piece on one piston, but this side is completely cooked, as you can see. But yeah, man, we're still, either way, we're gonna take it to the machine shop where they could do a bore on it, get new pistons, upgraded pistons, and all that stuff. So we're gonna come back better. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna end up. But yeah, like I said, my phone died on the other one. But like I said, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna just stop here. There's not much I could do now but take it to the machine shop and buy the parts for it. It might take me a while, but we're gonna get there, bruh. I'm sorry for the lag as well on the YouTube channel. It's a lot. It's like a lot of money, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I had to take it out, then I had to take it apart, then I gotta buy the parts, and then I already knew what I was getting into, so I ain't doing too much complaining. But yeah, man, we're gonna end it here. Hope y'all enjoyed this little update, and like, you know, my bad for lagging on y'all again, but hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on them post notifications. Oh wait, one more thing. If y'all see that account on TikTok and it's sending y'all messages, that my bad, it's not me, bro. The Malik57 with the underscore on it is not me. So if you're watching this, the Malik57 with the underscore is not me, bro. I will not be hitting y'all up over some fucking Bitcoin or none of that shit. So yeah, man. But anywho, if y'all like this, once again, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all on the next banger. Deuces.